Due to global warming, we are facing extreme climate events like floods, droughts, cyclones, etc. These climatic events are having an impact on human society. Changes in the rainfall pattern, cutting of trees has resulted in both flooding and droughts. At some point of time, the available water may not be sufficient to meet the needs of the growing population. Mindless extraction and overexploitation of precious resources has caused rapid depletion and deterioration of groundwater levels. Water is a precious natural resource. With the increase of the demand for water, with ever-growing population, it is the responsibility of every citizen to conserve water. The school institution needs to teach students the importance of water conservation and reduced use of precious resources. Planning to conserve water is the need of the hour. At LNS, rainwater harvesting technique to augment groundwater has been initiated. Rainwater harvesting is a human intervention to directly inject water underground through filter pits. Natural recharge takes a long time, and during the process, rain runoff is lost on surface due to evaporation. Rain runoff or surface runoff occurs when rain arrives more quickly than the soil can absorb it. The rainwater harvesting is mandated for all Lotus National Schools, and it is the best practice to ensure water is harvested in the school grounds. The making of water harvesting pit or several pits in school campus is essential for student learning and best practice for institutional infrastructure. The recharging of water from the rain is well planned so that the school ground has a large capacity for water harvesting. Teaching the future generation about rainwater harvesting is essential for the future generation to understand about precious rainfall and harvesting it for usage.